Alright guys, so I'm right here at the orphanage, and this is how the place, they have a refectory. There's the refectory, probably something like a sleeping area, dormitory, and they have a fish pond somewhere around there. They also keep probably a poultry or so. So here's the entire yard, and they have a piggery too, though it's not functional at the moment because of lack of funding. So just call a couple of the kids so that I can hand whatever I'm handing to them, and that's going to be it. So bottom line, a big thank you to all of you. I'm going to take a couple of shots, a couple of pictures with those that we're supporting, and that's going to be it for today. And probably tomorrow or after tomorrow, I'll be going to the other orphanage where I'm going to be giving the items, books, pens, pencils, and all that. At least this one has a certain degree of funding, so they are doing well. And yeah, they still need our support, and that's why we're giving them. But at least they are well to do so. We prefer to donate the items to another orphanage, which probably we're going to be seeing in a couple of days. So we just have the kids. The kids are actually singing. Anyway, it's just a nice time that we're having. Hosanna.